Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll go through a beginner's guide on how to edit and create videos using CapCut. As a beginner, this tutorial will guide you in a simplified steps. So grab your device and let's get started. The first thing is to download the app. On Apple devices, head over to your App Store, search for CapCut and download. On Android, simply go to your Play Store and search for CapCut. You can download it. Now CapCut is open. The first thing you see here on the screen, you will see teleprompter towards the right hand side. You can click on it. Teleprompter it helps you to remember your lines and type in. You can adjust it. Once that's done, click on new project, select your video and click on add. Once you add the video, to change the layout of your video, you can simply come down to this portion and search, click on auto framing. Now in this place, you are going to see different frame type for different social media. We have TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, that depending on whatever you want. Once you are okay, you select whatever you want and click OK. But CapCut automatically pick the desired frame of the video. Towards the right hand corner, you will see the export with arrow pointing up. You will see the resolution, which is 1080p. You will see the preview window, the timeline. Down the preview window, you will see play button. Downward part, you will see split, speed, and other functions that you can work with. Coming back to the first thing we do is we want to trim our video. The first thing you do is simply go to the end of the video. This CapCut advert. Simply click to delete it. Once it is deleted, you can come back in here. Let's play our video. Hi everyone. Our beginner guide on how to edit video use. So once I get to it, I can come in here. Ensure I place it the right place. Click on split. Once you click on split, you have two videos. You can come back here and click on delete. That one has been deleted. That has been trimmed. To add transition. Transition is actually the movement between two different slides or two different scenes. Transition between, I can come in here now and simply split this video. I want to have a transition between. So click on that, come into the middle and click on the middle button. Look for a transition that suits what you want. Light effects, basic. You can come to overlay. So let's assume I want overlay. Just click on overlay. Then you can adjust the duration from this point, either longer or shorter. Once you are done, click enter here. Now let's try. That's the transition. Next thing we are going to do is to add an overlay to this point. Click on overlay, click on the plus button. Now there are options to add. You can add video, you can add photos, and others. Just come in here. Now I want to add the CapCut logo. I can just click on CapCut logo here. It has been dropped to the screen. On it, I can simply adjust the size of it and bring it down. On this overlay, there are other things I can do. I can blend it. I can add animation to it. Let's say I want to add animation to the video to see how it enters. You can see it has been added. I can also increase the duration, faster or to be slower. Now animation has been added. If you come down, you will see other features you can edit it further. That is done. If I want to move it from where it is to maybe to a new location, I can just hold it down and drag it to any location I want to. Now let's check. In this video, I'll take you through the basic steps to create a fantastic video using this user-friendly app. So let's dive in. Now let's check. Edit video using CapCut. Okay, at this point, I want to move it down to this portion. Now that is that. Next is to add text or caption. Come back down here and click on text. Now you will see add text, stickers, auto caption, templates, and more. Click on add text. I can now say, let's type CapCut video. So once that is done, you can come in here and click on style. The font, you can see the type of font. You can change the font as you wish. Any font you wish. You can click on the style. See the style that suits what you want. You can adjust the size and also drag it to any location of your choice in this video. Then the effects. What effect do you want? There are many effects that we can look at in this place. You can click on effect, check as much as you want to give you the desired output or outcome. Then the animation of it, you can also animate it. Now look for a desired animation that suits what you want. Let's say we'll click on this. Now, once you are done, just click enter here. Now let's check. In this video, I'll take you through. Seeing that this seems to be too long, you can decide to also split it and delete the excess. You can delete the excess one of it. You can delete the excess. The next is want to add caption. Caption is text that is showing on the screen, more like a subtitle that is showing on the screen. As the voice is moving, the text will be showing. Simply click on auto caption. Now you can see it's going to pick the text, the speech, and turn it to text from the video, and click start. It has been added. From here now, I can decide to drag it to, maybe I want to bring it up here. Now in here now, let's go to the styles. What style do we want? You can look any style of our choice. The font type, maybe we want this type of font or this. The effects, what kind of effect do you want? Style. Once you are done, you click enter. You can also edit each as, okay, let's play our beginner guide on how to edit video using CapCut. In this video, I'll take you now. You can decide to edit the text. Let's say you want to edit the text, you can edit it. So depending on what you want. Once that is done, the next thing we are going to do is to add graphics. I want to add graphics or stickers. Just simply click on sticker. Now once you click on sticker, it will bring you to this point. Here you have varieties or range of stickers that you can add. You can search through and see anyone that suits what you want from it. As many as possible you can see. Let's just pick this simple one right here. This button here. Once you click on it, automatically it is added to your screen. Then you can adjust it further. Then you can drag it maybe to a portion on your video. Click enter here. Now let's see. A fantastic video using this user-friendly app. So let's dive. The next thing is we are going to add sound effect. We're going to add sound effect. You come down here and click audio. Now you will see sound effect. You can also record if you want to record. So let's click on effect. Let's search. Now I want to use this whoosh sound. You can test download anyone you want. So let's use this. Now it has been added. I want to add it to where I have my CapCut logo. I can just come in here now and hold it down and drag it to that point where I have it. Now let's play. Let's see. In this video, you can adjust it. In this video. Now that is done. Next we are going to talk about here is removing background. How do you remove background? You can remove background from pictures, from videos. Background. So what we do there is to add. Just click on overlay. You can go into your and pick maybe a picture or something. Let's use this picture. This is added already. You can adjust the size of it. The same way you add picture, you can add video. Just come down here and click on cutout. Now there are two things. You have chroma key. We have background remover. Remove background. Once you click on it and click, automatically the background has been removed. So you can see the background is transparent. You can move it anywhere you want. So that the same thing you do here, you can also do the same with videos. Once that is done, the next thing is that we want to add background sound. Now let's come down here to add background sound. When you click on it, there are options to use. You can sign in with TikTok. Now there are sound available under Blog, Pop, Beat, Love. Let's say we want to pick from beats. So you can search for any one that you want. You can just download anyone. You can download a sound. The plus icon. Once you click the plus icon, it's automatically added. Then you can click on the sound to adjust the volume. Now the volume is going to be louder than the main video, so let's reduce it. So once that is done, you can also come to the main video and adjust the volume of the main video. Maybe to increase the volume, to make it loud. Hi everyone, welcome to our beginner guide. That is done. To apply, you want to apply zoom effect. So I want to apply zoom to this frame that I want to use in this place, I can just come in here and click this zoom. So right here I can use my 2 fingers and use it to adjust the image. Now let's play. Hi everyone, welcome to our beginner guide on how to edit video using CapCut. In this video, I'll take you through the basic steps to create a fantastic video using this user-friendly app. Assuming I want to add a click effect to this sticker, which this thumb speaker sticker here, I can just come in here. You can just click on here and search for click. Let's click the first one. So I can add this. Now let's see, I can decide to take this and adjust it, move it to wherever I need it. Select it. So I can move it down to this point. I can try to move it to this point. I can adjust it further. I can increase the volume. So once that is done, you can simply come in here and preview your video. Download the app. Next, open the app, import your video footage. You can return. Arrange your clips, add transition, add effect. Now that the whole thing is done, you can go down to the end. Our music is longer than our video. Just come in here and trim it. Once you trim it, delete the excess. The excess background sound is to export. But before we export, adjust. You can adjust and use predefined filters from here. Filters, depending on what you want, or adjust the contrast, the exposure. You can play around it and find what suits you. Once that is done, the next thing is for us to export. Now before we export, you come up to this point where it is written 1080. Just click on it. Now the resolution, I can just come down and click 720. Now check the frame rate. Now I can come down and use rate 24. Then once I am done with that, I can come back. Once you are done, you can simply export. And there you have it, guys, the beginner's guide to video editing with CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you are now feeling more confident in your video editing skills. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tutorials, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions, suggestions, or want to share your CapCut creation with us, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us for an assistance. Once again, thank you for joining us today. Keep exploring your creativity, and remember, the more you practice, the better you get. Until next time, happy editing.